welcome back to What's Fun Stuff. And so, today, we're going to be doing Funko Pops. But right now, I'm going to be showing you the giveaway. So, it's something red and pink in this room, and you can find it at the first floor. You get to choose which one you want.
We'll show you the figures.
First, we got Ruby Rose from RWBY.
AKA Ruby, but spelled wrong.
Now we got Romeo and Juliet, which is, and it's Romeo. And next we got the boys, and it is Starlight. And next we got
Ghost Files Botan.
Yep.
She can't read. Because it's something like Japanese or something.
Like Japanese. And I cannot speak Japanese.
Alright, let's get on to the actual topic of this YouTube video.
So,
the free Harry Potter figs.
and there may be, and there's another one at the end. It could be Harry Potter and it could not. And we have a special guest that is unboxing it.
Alright.
Here she is. She's not in uniform. I don't know why. There she is.
She's from the Wizarding World, the game. That's why.
Yep. And go check that game out.
Yes.
So next we're going to do Ron Weasley.
See, I'm pretty sure that might be an original version. Because it says 02 or something.
It's number 2 out of this series. So here he is. He is in suit. Here he is. So I'm going to put his over here with Hermione.
Now, it's time for the main character of the series.
Harry Potter.
Yep. Alright. It makes sense that he's number 1 in the series.
So here he is. He even got his little tiny glasses and he even got a scar. So here he is. We're going to get a close-up on Harry.
Because he is special.
There he is. So now we're going to put him right here, his box right here, and our special guest is coming in. Come here, Rebecca! This is my best friend. She came all the way from Clarksville, and we're going to let her unbox the special gift, a special Funko Pop, and it is Gomez Addams from the Addams family.
Live action, not the movie. Because I know a lot of you youngins watch the movie.
Here he is.
Do 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 do.
So we're going to put him over here with all the rest, and I'm going to let Willow come back in. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of our videos.
Wait, before we end the video, we've got to show you the last 360. So y'all who figure it out will get to find it.
So guys, we hope to see you in the next video, and bye-bye.